Day after day, your most talented employees are bogged down by rigorous work processes and unexciting, repeated tasks. This isn't innovation, it's stagnation. Furthermore, making major future plans without the computational power to accurately predict outcomes is an enormous strain on time and resources. You need more than instinct, you need certainty. Welcome to the future of efficiency, powered by E86. We deploy cutting-edge AI solutions designed to transform the way your organization operates and plans. Our core proposition is threefold. We help you automate complex processes, freeing your staff for high-value strategic work. We simplify tedious tasks, enhancing morale and accuracy. And most critically, we give you the power to predict your future with data-backed accuracy. At E86, we don't just sell technology, we integrate intelligence. We customize AI tools that learn your organization's unique needs, ensuring scalable and sustainable growth. This is truly E86 technology for growth, ready to optimize operations and gain a competitive edge. Talk to an E86 AI geek today. Schedule a consultation to explore how intelligent automation can reshape your business.